So close our umbrella, always the first step. Okay, and we grab our strap that has been supplied with the umbrella. Take the 8 panels out and put the strap around it. Got a second strap, and the second strap has to go around here, just above the pin on this side here. So I have it around here. So now that that's secured, we can take our ultimate pin out, and as we've done it before, we have to flick our safety back to the ultimate function, towards the back. Okay. Now same procedure as when it was open. So we lift the canopy until this pin becomes loose, and then we keep winding until we got it at the higher position where we want to have it. Around there. Now that's it on the ultimate function. We are finished with the height adjust, so flick that back forward, and while we do that we can feel that the safety has back engaged, and if you let the pressure off the handle it locks back in. Put the pin back in, and that makes sure that it can't be put back into the ultimate mode by mistake. Okay, now that everything is back together, everything is back on safety, we can unclip the umbrella and open it up as normal. Now we've got the umbrella restored at the original height, at the full height. A good reminder that you've done everything right is the clicking noise. So when you wind the umbrella and you hear the clicking noise, everything is right. If you don't hear the clicking noise, it's still in the ultimate function, and that is the risk of collapsing by itself. So make sure pins back in, safety is back on.